लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, नमस्ते, नमस्कार। आज एक नए बिजनेस, आपका और हमारा एक नए बिजनेस की जन्मदिन है। आप में से कुछ लोग तो ये बिजनेस थोड़ी देर से करते आ रहे हैं, कुछ लोग नए हैं, लेकिन आप सबको आज पता लगेगा कि आज से जहां हम जाने वाले हैं वो कल और परसों से बहुत दूर और बहुत ऊंचा। आप में से कई लोग हिंदुस्तान लीवर के नाम से परिचित होंगे, कई लोग ऐसे भी हैं जिनका हिंदुस्तान लीवर का ज़्यादा नॉलेज बेस नहीं होगा। तो मैंने सोचा कि आज आप सबको थोड़ा बहुत हिंदुस्तान लीवर का हिस्ट्री, थोड़ी हिंदुस्तान लीवर के इतिहास मैं आपको बता दूं। हिंदुस्तान लीवर was born in 1956, almost 50 years ago. From that day onwards, from 1956, Hindustan Lever went from strength to strength. It was the first company to do many things. It was the first company, first foreign company, to invite local shareholders. It was the very first company that gave its own shares to the Indian public. And today, 400,000 local shareholders own Hindustan Lever stock. 4 lakh. In 2002, we closed with a total sales of 10,600 crores. So you can see how the company went from strength to strength to strength. Most importantly, not only did the employees of the company prosper, but everybody who came into contact with the company prospered. Our consumers got better products, उनको बेहतरीन प्रोडक्ट मिले, वो प्रोडक्ट से उनका जीवन, their life became better. Our shareholders benefited beyond belief. If you look back from that period to today, and we have done this calculation many times, and you compare the return that people have got by investing in property in the most expensive location, Bombay, gold, or Hindustan Lever shares, which do you think has given the highest return? Anybody? Shares, exactly. So our shareholders have profited. Our partners, our distributors. Today we have got 7,000 distributors in the country, in every large town, in every small town. बड़े शहर में, छोटे से गांव में, और उसके नीचे 10,000 सब स्टॉकिस्ट हैं जो कि खाले गांव में हैं. These 17,000 stockists, many of them are doing this business for 3 generations. 3 पीढ़ी हो गई हैं उनको. Everybody who has come into contact with the company has shared in this prosperity. Now, why has Hindustan Lever been so successful? Hindustan Lever produces first-rate products, first-quality products, the best. This is very important. It is very important to give the very best quality to everybody. It is very important to give the best quality to rich people, to middle-income people, and to poor people. In fact, it is even more important to give the best quality to poor people. And the reason is that poor people, when they are spending money, they are very careful that they get back their due return. We have got 100 factories, 100 factories सब जगह. More importantly, in Bombay and Bangalore, हमारी 2 research laboratories हैं. इनमें लगभग 100 PhD काम करते हैं. लेकिन इसके अलावा यूनिलीवर से तकरीबन 800-900 PhD और जो हैं, जो कि बाहर काम कर रहे हैं, विदेश में काम कर रहे हैं, उनकी भी नॉलेज बेस हमको यहां आती है. So Hindustan Lever is able to offer the best products, not just because of what we know, but because of what we are able to bring from around the world. Hindustan Lever cannot be matched by any other company. Why? जो बाहर की कंपनीज हैं, जितने भी बाहर के नाम आपने सुने हैं, अमेरिकन, यूरोपियन कंपनीज, किसी कंपनी का इंडिया में इस तरीके का रिसर्च, डेवलपमेंट, टेक्नोलॉजी का बेस नहीं है. So they are only dependent on foreign technology, Videshi technology. Now, you know that it is not possible easily to just import technology and make something here. And this is one of the most important reasons why Hindustan Lever has been very successful over the years. We can bring the best technology from anywhere in the world and the best technology in India. And that is why it is very important when you think of our name. We are Hindustan Lever. We are global, we are local. We are foreign, we are Indian. And therefore, we have the best of both worlds. The second reason for our success is our distribution. Every day, our products are sold to 1 million shops. Every day, like clockwork. Hindustan Lever is known by its brands. Lux, Lifebuoy, Fair and Lovely, Sunsilk, Clinic, Red Label, Taza. These are all household names. इनमें से कई ब्रांड हैं जो कि एक ब्रांड बाकी कंपनीज से बड़े होते हैं. Many of these brands, each of them are bigger than 500 crores. So they are bigger than many companies. So over the years, we have built many brands. But there is one brand that is bigger than any one of these. That brand is Hindustan Lever. Today, we are going to start a new journey together. And we are going to move to unleash the power of the Hindustan Lever name. We are going to develop this market by tapping into the strength of the name Hindustan Lever. We are going to work together, all of you and us, to unleash and create a new business opportunity. I believe that this opportunity is very timely. It is so important for us to do this. Of course, the benefit will be that you and I will do business together. But there is another very big benefit. India needs opportunities like this. Why? Today, we are in a position to offer them a new business model. We are in a position to offer them a new avenue to build their businesses, and with that, to build themselves. I have absolutely no doubt that this journey we start today will be very, very successful. क्यों? क्योंकि इस जर्नी में दो तरीके की स्ट्रेंथ्स साथ में आ रही हैं. हमारी तरफ से हमारा नाम, हमारे ब्रांड, हमारे प्रोडक्ट, और आपकी तरफ से आपकी बिजनेस सेंस to join us in establishing a new business together. And I have absolutely no doubt that all of you will enjoy the same fruit of prosperity as we move forward together. Thank you very much.